Hello future engineers, there is another video in differential calculus, particularly on equations of inflectional normal and maxima problems. So in this video there are three problems. First, a right circular cylinder is to be cut from a sphere of given diameter. Determine the minimum waste in percent. So the minimum waste is equal to percent minimum waste is equal to the minimum volume of waste divided by volume of sphere times 100%. Now the waste will only be minimum if the volume of the right circular cylinder to be cut from a sphere is maximum. So volume of right circular cylinder in terms of the diameter and height, if the diameter is x, is pi over 4 x squared area of circle times height y. So if this is the figure, diameter is given of the sphere, so x squared is diameter squared minus y squared. So pi over 4 quantity diameter squared minus y squared times y. So volume is pi over 4 quantity d squared y minus y cubed. So we differentiate this equation with respect to y to maximize the volume of the right circular cylinder. So derivative of volume with respect to y is pi over 4 quantity d squared minus 3y squared. Then we equate it to 0. So the quantity inside the parentheses should be equated to 0. So y is diameter over square root of 3. Having found y diameter over square root of 3, we solve for x, which is x squared equals d squared minus y squared. So d squared minus quantity d over square root of 3 squared, and that is 2/3 of d squared. The maximum volume of right circular cylinder, therefore, is obtained by substituting it into this equation where this is 2/3 d squared and y is d over square root of 3. So Vmax is pi over 4 quantity 2/3 of diameter square times diameter over square root of 3, and it is equal to square root of 3 over 18 pi diameter cube. So the minimum volume of waste is volume of sphere pi over 6 diameter cube minus maximum volume of right circular cylinder square root of 3 over 18 pi diameter cube. So simplifying, that is equal to the minimum volume of waste is equal to quantity 3 minus square root of 3 pi diameter cube over 18. Then the percent of the minimum percentage of waste is volume of waste divided by volume of sphere times 100%. So for the two volumes, pi diameter cube is common because the volume of sphere is pi over 6. This one, diameter cube. So we only consider this constant 3 minus square root of 3 over 18 divided by 1/6. Then the entire expression multiplied by 100. So the minimum volume of waste is 100% times quantity 3 minus square root of 3 over 18 divided by 1 over 6. So percent minimum waste is 100 times quantity 3 minus square root of 3 over 18 divided by 1/6. So in percent and in decimal form, that percent minimum waste is equal to 42.6265%, and this value is not found from the choices in the quiz, so the answer is E. Problem Next problem. Find the inflectional normal to the curve y equals x cubed minus 6x squared. So of course, the inflectional normal is the normal line through the point of inflection perpendicular to the tangent line. So from y equals x cubed minus 6x squared, y prime, which represents the slope of the tangent line, is the derivative of y with respect to x, and that is equal to 3x squared minus 12x. And this is also the expression for the slope of the tangent line. Then we differentiate further to have concavity and y double prime concavity. It is equal to 0 at the point of inflection. So y double prime is 6x minus 12. We equate it to 0, so x is 12 over 6. X is 2, and y is, from this equation of the curve, y is 2 cubed minus 6 times 2 square, and that is equal to 8 minus 24 negative 16. So the point of tangency is at 2 comma negative 16. So the slope of the tangent line is y prime, and it is 3 times 2 square minus 12 times 2, and it is equal to negative 12. That's the slope of the tangent. Take note, we're looking for the inflectional normal. The slope of the normal line is the negative reciprocal of negative 12, so it is positive 1 over 12. And the expected equation of the inflectional tangent is x minus 12y equals x sub t minus 12 times y sub t. So x minus 12y equals 2 minus 12 times negative 16. The equation of the inflectional normal, therefore, is x minus 12y equals 194. And again, this is not found from the choices, so the answer is again letter E. Then the last problem for this video, a sector with perimeter 24 centimeters is to be cut from a circle. What should be the radius of the circle if the area of the sector is to be a maximum? So the objective is to maximize the area of the sector. Let's draw the sector denoting the radius of the circle as r, central angle theta. So the arc length is r theta. The perimeter therefore is r plus r plus r theta, or 2r plus r theta. Area of sector 1/2 r square times central angle theta in radians. Now, r plus r theta equals 24. Perimeter is 24. Or 2r plus r theta equals 24. Factoring out r times quantity 2 plus theta equals 24. So r is 24 over 2 plus theta. Substitute into the formula for area. Area is 1/2 of quantity 24 over 2 plus theta square times theta. Simplifying, area is 288 theta over 2 plus theta quantity square. So maximizing area by differentiating this, factor out 288. So 288 quantity denominator 2 plus theta square minus derivative of numerator, derivative theta is 1, minus numerator theta times the derivative of 2 plus theta square, which is power formula. 2 times quantity 2 plus theta raised to 1, derivative of 2 plus theta is 1 divided by denominator square, then equals 0. So cross multiply, we have 2 plus theta quantity square minus 2 theta times 2 plus theta equals 0. Cancel out 2 plus theta, so 2 plus theta minus 2 theta equals 0. So that means theta is 2 radians. We then substitute into the formula for r. R is equal to 24 over 2 plus 2. So the radius for the area of the sector to be maximum is 6 centimeters. So that's it for this video.